Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a video update. I'm allowed to drive now, and I've been driving for a couple of weeks on the fuel mileage that I'm getting in my truck after taking the front air dam off and then putting the tires on it that you saw in the last video. As you can see, I've probably done 2 or 3 tanks of gas. Mixed highway. I'm on the highway right now. I just went and did an AMSOIL delivery, so I'm coming back home. Mixed highway and back road and kind of in-town driving. I live out in the country. I take a lot of back roads to get to work. But this is what I'm averaging, 20.2. I don't know. I haven't calculated it by hand because I don't really care. I don't know how accurate this is. But, you know, that's the number that I'm getting on here, 20.2. So it really did not affect my gas mileage that much. The worst gas mileage was affected by the tires. That dropped at about 1 or 2 MPGs. I remember when I first got the truck, I would take it on highway trips and I'd be getting 22 MPG, and I would average usually about 21. But as you can see there, it's averaging about 20.2, and it's been there for, I don't know, about a week. Sometimes it'll drop down to 19.9, but then it hops back up to 20.2 averaging. But yeah, I'm just cruising at 63 miles an hour. Yeah, you don't really notice anything different. The Pro 4X does not have that air dam on it, and it gets the same MPG rating as the base model here, 4-wheel drive. So it doesn't really make that much of a difference. The biggest difference is going to be a lift kit and your tires and everything. So just a quick update, want to let you guys know. And I'm going to be doing some other videos on modifications to the truck when I can actually start working again. Had a ball joint blow up and took my finger off. I can't bend it, and I can't do anything with this hand really yet. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to therapy for a couple of months, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks guys. Bye.